head southeast towards Inyo Street.
It's 6:20 in the morning at the moment. We've just left the hotel on the way to Sequoia National Park. Going straight to Moro Rock, which is a place I've been looking forward to the most. I literally can't wait for this. So, sat-nav says we've got 2 hours, 6 minutes, 86 miles.
Take the next left onto San Benito Street, then slight left onto the California 41 Slip Road.
2 hours we'll be there. Just doing a nice slow speed following a tanker. I'm happy with. So those giant drops. I think we're about 6,000 foot up at the moment. And you can tell looking at the view. Made it. About to go up Moro Rock now. This is the start of the steps.
Good job, guys.
It's going to be the view when we get to the top. 350 steps. Wow.
Yesterday in the water, who was right? Yesterday, right?
Extreme danger.
Mama, you don't
I have to
see
say the
what
word.
I say.
Okay.
Got the views already. Wow. Probably gone up about 50 of the 300 steps so far. Still plenty to go. Now around here.
I know.
Wow.
What?
What's up there? Oh, it's like a big drop off to the left. Wow. Shit. Hell. That was a long way down. Excuse me, French. Whoa, don't look left. Jesus.
That's weird. All steps got splattered out.
Thank you.
I shadow got in the way of that lizard, and the lizard moved. Oh yeah. I see the shadow.
Yes. It's a lot easier on the way down.
I've already had 10 stories from just this road.
Thank you.
Her Fitbit, she said she had 10 stories on. Yeah.
How are you doing? Puffed. Puffed. Doing well so far.
Puffed at high elevation.
Yeah, a little bit more to go. Mind your head. It's getting a bit steep. Just going round. Glad there's a handrail. Bash my head on this. Oh my goodness.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Sorry.
Alright, you get through. This does not do much for your vertigo. Wow. It's pretty amazing. Behind me head. Narrow. Breathing a bit heavier now. Hardly any wind up here though. Wow. It's insane. I can see the top.
No, they would be considered venomous.
Thank you.
Wow.
Very narrow this bit.
trip, she said that they were on the storm was coming in, so they were pulling the canoes in and everything. There we go, getting the kids up on land. And they were on the dock and they looked at each other and their hair was standing on the end. And they're like, oh, get off me. Like he struck the water. Wow.
Last little bit to the top. I made it. Morning. Wow. Wow. Made it to the top. Oh, the panoramic views around here are insane. So far down. It's a sheer drop.
This is the Christmas card.
Christmas card. Draw like a happy face on the other side.
It's amazing. It's definitely worth the 300 steps.
Oh, look at the cheeseburger.
And the trip to California. This is what I've been waiting for.
Oh, that'd be cool.
There's hardly any wind, it's really warm. This is it. Living the dream now. Bucket list. Fantastic. So these guys are setting up to abseil down, rather them than me. There he goes. Crazy. Your turn next.
Yeah, cool. Tap me up. You see him? Get a better view from down there.
Let us begin.
Just going for a walk on a log, as you do. Just goes to show you how large these trees are. Apparently this is auto log, and when it fell you used to be able to drive your car on it. So there's a sign saying many automobiles have been pictured on this log. Can't obviously now, it's rotted. God, the size of it. This is the Colonel Young tree. Colonel Young was responsible for building the road to Moro Rock. What year was it, Alison? 1903?
Yeah.
1903.
Oh no. That's the tree.
Oh, false information. She pointed out the wrong tree. Ah, yes. This has a sign. These sequoias are vast. It's crazy big.
Yeah.
I want to see General Sherman. Yep.
Here, go with that and I'll meet you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I got this.
Into the giant forest. There it is. General Sherman.
Its top is dead.
The top of it is dead. Wow. It's the biggest tree by volume in the world.
Chaque année.
No, it smells bad. It kind of looks like smoke. It's not that bad.
Seems an odd growth on this tree. The size of these boys.
We'll do another little loop. Oh, let's go check out this thing. This is where the tree fell down.
Here it is, it's just coming up on the right. General Sherman. This is what I've been waiting for. Wow. Holy moly.
I hear it talks about it's 103 feet circumference.
This way.
Please, we're going to do a normal photo first. Now
Yeah.
Với những ngày cho tắm, cho bố mì. Đi. Rồi nó chịu chụp. Nó chịu chụp.
Let's see, stay there. One photo. No running here. Let's see, go with grandma quickly, okay?
Grandma không có mình đâu.
Now we get out. Oh, grandma.
Ôi trời ơi.
Now we gotta go.
Go, let's go, boy.
Yeah.
Look at you close.
Cool.
I promise to protect Sequoia and National Park. I will explore and take care of the natural world.
Wow, it's the size of the big trees.
So, post red is the tallest. Giant sequoia, largest by Moro.
Just about to do the Big Tree Trail. Anyone like to guess what we're going to see on the Big Tree Trail?
Beetles.
Beetles. Interesting. It's not called Bear Hill that way. Don't think it's part of the Big Tree Trail, huh? What does it say on the... Did you take a photo of the map?
Yeah.
No, especially Anna, you're like, smile, honey.
I will smile.
Oh, you're right. This is you.
Big Tree Trail. This way. Wow. That was good.
Hey, go, mama. Hey, go, mama. Go on.
Well, there are some big trees on the Big Tree Trail. I'll give it that. So these trees are ginormous. You'd have thought the roots would be massive.
Well, I think they are massive, but they only need about 1 metre of soil. They don't go deep, they just go far and wide in their search for water.
Wow.
So you've got the tree in 1 metre of soil with its roots and then bedrock.
You'd not have thought that 1 metre of soil could hold up something like that. Wow, that's crazy. Climate needed. This is Beetle Rock. Not far from the museum we've just been in. Oh, it's got great views. And they're climbing up the rock there. They are great views. Kind of view.
Yeah.
Now we're about to go through Tunnel Log. There we go. Going on a hike now, Tokopah Valley Trail, to get to the waterfall at the other end, 1.7 miles away.
one.
Hmm? Here we go. Made it. Mind your head, yeah. Will do. Wow. Saying that a lot this holiday. Four kilometres we just walked to get here from the car. There's 4 here and it'll be 4 back. That's breathtaking, that is. Worth a walk, worth a hike. Alright, you made it. Wow, what do you think?
That's good.
See it in your sunglasses, reflecting.
Very impressive.
That's great. It is very impressive. Whoa. Well, there's another highlight for the holiday. Wow. How amazing is that? We are lucky, 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 lucky people. What an amazing place this would be to camp. I'll have to try it one year. We're back now. That was just over 8 kilometres, about 2.5 hours. That was a hike and a half, that was. Worth it though, the views of that waterfall were spectacular. Definitely do that again some point. Oh dear. Cheers, bud. Good job we spotted it. Driving home to Fresno now. About an hour and a half to go. Well, that was an amazing day. It lived up to all my expectations, everything I've been looking forward to. So when we got to Moro Rock this morning, God, it was spectacular. The sheer drops on the left side as you're walking up, scary as hell. I'm not a big fan of heights, but yeah, God, that was once in a lifetime thing. That's made the trip, the whole holiday, worthwhile. I cannot see how anything can get better. The views that we had there. So we started the day at Moro Rock, then we went from there to go and see the General Sherman, the largest tree by volume in the world, and that was amazing. It's just all of the sequoia trees, all of the sequoia trees around here are vast, ginormous, 1,000 and odd years old, all of them. There's it's crazy. It's like you're on a different planet. It's like you're in Pandora from Avatar. It's just a different world. It's like hard to put into words. It's like stuff you've never seen before. You've got to see it with your own eyes. The size of these things. But yeah, we're doing from General Sherman to the giant tree trail, where there's just these ginormous sequoia trees everywhere. Went from there to, where was it? Beetle Rock, yeah. Big granite boulders with a great outlook going over to the valley.
Don't forget Tunnel Log.
And then Tunnel Log, yeah, I nearly forgot Tunnel Log, where Alison drove through the middle of the log. And also, was it the other one? The
waterfall.
On the waterfall. Tokopah Falls. That was brilliant too. And I stood on that big log. What was the log? Auto log, yeah. God, what a day today's been. Done nearly 23,000 steps. God knows how many kilometres today. But if I was still doing my challenge, blimey, this would have done some damage in me million steps that I did. So that was my day. Alison, what has been the highlight of your day?
I think the highlight has to have been Moro Rock, and the views up there, just amazing. See for miles and miles.
It was amazing. As I say, that is the number one thing I wanted from this holiday, was to go up Moro Rock after seeing it on YouTube and seeing the pictures, and also on iFit. I went up there with Paolo Beretta on our treadmill about 2 years ago when we first got our treadmill. We did Pines to Peaks, and one of the first things in the first series, it took us up Moro Rock, and from doing that I had to come back to California to do this. That was the key moment of booking this holiday 2 years ago. is to do Moro Rock after doing it on the treadmill on the iFit screen, but I'm so glad I did. One of the best things I've done. Right, we're just going to Fresno now. We're going to find a restaurant for tea. I'm a bit peckish now. It's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. It says we're going to be there for about 7:30, so a bit of driving to do, but yeah, that was great. Tomorrow we're driving to Yosemite, getting up early again, and we're going to go and see a couple of waterfalls, do a 10 to 15 kilometer loop walk. We're going to take it easy, maybe take most of the day to do that, so that should be another amazing day. Yosemite is quite different, lots of granite cliffs. This is more about the forest and the trees here, so it's going to be great. See you tomorrow.